Hi foodies! If you love good food, you're going to love this recipe. Let's start with 500 ml of water. Add 300 grams of chicken gizzard, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. And now cover and let it boil for 15 minutes on high flame and stir occasionally. Now let it boil for 5 minutes on medium flame and then turn off the flame. And now take out the chicken gizzard from the water and set it aside. And also keep the water, we'll be using it later. Next, we have taken 200 grams of chicken liver, 3 chopped onions, that's about 200 grams, 300 grams of boiled chicken gizzard, finely sliced 15 garlic cloves, that's about 40 grams, 1 inch sliced ginger, 10 grams, and 2 slit green chillies.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Then add ginger, green chilies and garlic. Now stir fry for a minute on low flame. Now we'll add onion and stir fry for 5 minutes on high flame. Next, we'll add boiled chicken gizzard and liver. Now, we'll stir fry for 5 minutes on low flame. Then add half teaspoon bottle masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon chicken masala. Now saute for 3 minutes on low flame. Now add the water that we used to boil the chicken gizzard. Now mix everything well. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Give it a stir. And add half teaspoon salt. Now mix it well. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well. And then let it cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now turn off the flame and our chicken Kaleji, Pota Masala curry is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!